I'm sick and I should be sleeping, but I just figured I'd put together a quick rip and tell you I've really been enjoying flying at 45 degrees. It makes everything kind of like faster and more exciting. So enjoy a nice quick one. Subscribe, smash the like button, and you could be my Patreon. That'd be lovely. More kisses forever. And access to my exclusive Discord server.
And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm flanking. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. Try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious an accomplice to me. I promise the darkness I can honest believe. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. He's locked away inside with the key controlled by fight or flight. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.